Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is a very special video. This is a very special vintage motorcycle. I have to say that I am already impressed, and I am here only 15 minutes. It is called Baier. So this is a Baier motorcycle from Germany, and they were producing Baier motorcycles from 1923 till 1929, and this is just one of them. But we have to be honest, just little it's known about this motorcycle. There are no real facts about it. The owner bought it in Germany some time ago, and right now, as you can see, it's really in a good state. It is also rideable, I can say, and we will see some details that are really interesting. I mean, this one, it's without the clutch. This one, it's without the normal let's say lightning system. This one also has some very unique features in terms of the suspension, and also in terms of changing gears and so on. I really have to say that this is a kind of a bicycle with the engine. So let's go into details. So guys, the replica of the original plate from Nauen near Potsdam, and here we can see the lighting system. This is a carbide lamp light, so the rear one and the front one, it's similar. It is a belt driven motorcycle, also with the chain, as you see. Otherwise it has two gears. It is a 200cc engine, and it is a two-stroke, so a very sophisticated technology from the 20s. As you can see, some parts are completely restored, like the paint. Otherwise, we have to mention also that this fuel tank, it's from the 20s. So Baier 200cc, this company produced motorcycles from 1923 till 1929, and they were mostly from 200cc till 500cc bikes. Those that are all into old-timers or vintage motorcycles would know that the company was all about racing from that times. So here you can see, guys, it is the location for oil of the steering system. Otherwise, it has also the suspension, very sophisticated suspension at the front, and some other really nice and cool parts are also important to mention, and this is this very unique siren, and as I mentioned previously, the lighting system, so carbide lamp lighting system. Let me just show it to you. So here we can open the doors of the front headlight, and as you can see, it has the carbide inside. So guys, the gearing system, it's without the clutch, and here you can see the whole system, it's opened, and this is the gear lever. It has only 2 gears, and the maximum speed, it's around 30 kilometers per hour. The owner has the proof that the engine was produced in 1921, but the frame of the motorcycle, it's a bit younger. So the serial number that is on the engine, it's the proof that it was produced in 1921. So the seat, it's stock and standard, so untouched from the 20s. Here we see the suspension of the seat. Let's say this is the rack, so some parts are restored because it was quite in a bad shape when the owner got it, but right now, as we can see, it looks just amazing. One spark plug, one carburetor, and also pedals, as you can see. So the belt and the chain all together. And a very nice and rare thing on this one, here you can see the wooden brake pads. So it has also the possibility to brake with these wooden brake pads here, because as you can see, the rim has also the inner part where the belt goes. There is no front brake, it has only the rear brake. There are also some other parts that I would like to mention, and this is this unique center stand, as you can see, connected with the rear wheel. So it is a bicycle like stand, I would say, but it really works very nicely on this motorcycle. So here we can see, guys, the bag for some tools. The exhaust, it's so tiny, guys. Riding this motorcycle, it's not easy, guys. Here you can see 2 levers, one it's firing and the other it's the throttle. The specialty of this model is that it has 2 gears, even though it is from the 20s. That time bikes had only 1 gear, but this one has 2 gears. This is all, guys. This was Baier from the 20s. A wonderful motorcycle, a wonderful example of more than 100 years old motorcycle, and I really enjoyed filming it. So next time it may be an opportunity to hear the sound, so stay tuned and please do me a favor and subscribe. Till the next one. Thanks for watching.